Duterte is present in this meeting today, in this hearing today. The respondent is not present.
Let it be placed on record that COMSEC called again the Vice President, that is for the purpose of giving her the opportunity to present her evidence.
The impeachment is a process that seeks to exact accountability. It can be political. It can also be an instrument where the majority can use that power to exact revenge.
Gusto nyong palitan ang Senate President kasi gusto nyo tuloy-tuloy na yung impeachment.
Actually, kinontradict niya yung sarili niya kasi nung na-elect siya na Senate President, sabi niya tuloy ang impeachment. Yung mga pro-ERAP noong impeachment trial sa Senado, they were punished during the next midterm election. So may ano yun naiisip din ng mga senador yun